Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can apply, like what all new things have been available for sliders in macOS Tahoe, which is macOS 26. So let's get started. So first, here you can see I have this slider. Again, I'll just show you guys the code first, then things would be more clearer for you. So here you can see I've defined one slider with the help of NS slider. Alright, so this is same as usual. Then here I have added the slider to our view. Then here I have applied some NS layout constraints. Here is our target and action as well. So once the slider changes, we print the value of the slider. I'll comment this neutral value for now. I'll explain it later on. So the important thing, new thing which has been available for macOS Tahoe is this Tint Prominence. There are different values for Tint Prominence, so I have kept it as primary. So here you can see I'm moving my slider. Now what is this neutral value? So if I just uncomment this and run it again, so here you can see the slider values are from 0 to 100. So I've kept the neutral value as 10. So one point of the slider, so here you can see one point of the slider is fixed at position 10. So I can now move it like this, or I can move it like this. So this 10, the point which is at 10 will remain the same. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.